movements over, isometric contraction over, isotonic over, isokinetic also over. Clear? Over now? This one, active movements, passive movements, isometric contraction, isotonic, isokinetic. Right? Then there are another two terms, words, static exercise, dynamic exercise. You remember what is static exercise? What is dynamic exercise? Static exercise, nothing but isometric. Static means was one place, no movement. Static is one move, no movement. Which exercise? No movement. Isometric. So isometric or static. Dynamic. Which exercise? Active exercise or dynamic. Active exercises are dynamic exercise. Okay. So that's what those two also include. Okay. First, again I am telling you once again. First, active movements, passive movements, isometric, isotonic, isokinetic, static exercise, dynamic exercise. All, right? We discussed, correct? And we have seen practical also. How to do. Okay? Any doubts, any questions? Please. No questions?
Thank you.